Yesterday was, like I said, I don't film everything. Word of the day, insight of the day. My father used to always tell me, your words incriminate you. So just be careful what you say. Think about what you say. We have a big job in the afternoon. We have a job this morning. And Caitlin's coming home tomorrow. I'm pumped for that. We're going to do something. We'll do something fun. Tune the kid up. Got the new blue on. I've noticed when you put on heads and you tighten them up perfectly when they're new, even if you seat them, you're supposed to seat the drum. All the drummers know that. I feel like it goes out of tune pretty quick. So lately, every time I've been putting on new heads, I notice they go out of tune instantly. After the second tune, like the next day, perfect. So I just wanted to tell my fellow drummers that might be watching. That's it, really. We just got a bunch of ahs and ums and just stumbling words. Like I said, I got to get better at talking. Zach, pretend you're like talking in front of a million people. That's what you have to do. Even when I give speeches, you have to just be like, own it. How's it going, everybody? All right. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you later. Oh, yeah. Paradoxically, without getting into too much deets, I've been seeing videos like it's good to be authentic. It's good to not be so polished. That's what I've noticed, at least. I mean, half the time I do have words ready. Sometimes I don't, but just remember that. I mean, people don't need perfection. Obviously, no one's perfect but Jesus, but people do not need perfection. Scientifically, people can, like, obviously relate to you more. Just telling you that. All right.
This little thing.
Okay.
Here. On that box.
Sure.
Wants to go home. Yeah,
All right on the roof.
Please buy a beer over there.
Did you tell someone where you live? Someone sent us a package.
Yeah, which is fine.
Travis is a nice place.
I appreciate it, man.
I mean,
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.